Welcome to Mr. English Flow.
English for everyone. Let's make learning fun.
Join us.
The cat is in the box. The cat is in the box. I put my keys in my bag. I put my keys in my bag. She sits in the chair. She sits in the chair. The milk is in the fridge. The milk is in the fridge. The book is on the table. The book is on the table. I put my phone on the desk. I put my phone on the desk. The picture is on the wall. The picture is on the wall. She puts her bag on the chair. She puts her bag on the chair. She is at the bus stop. She is at the bus stop. I am at the supermarket. I am at the supermarket. He is at the office. He is at the office. We meet at the coffee shop. We meet at the coffee shop. The cat is under the table. The cat is under the table. I put my shoes under the bed. I put my shoes under the bed. The bag is under the chair. The bag is under the chair. She finds her book under the pillow. She finds her book under the pillow. The lamp is next to the bed. The lamp is next to the bed. I sit next to my friend. I sit next to my friend. The shop is next to the school. The shop is next to the school. She puts her phone next to her bag. She puts her phone next to her bag.